Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to introduce you to a vendor who can help you build initial business credit. So you've got to start building a business credit profile and score with starter vendors. These are vendors who will give you credit when you have none, and they report the credit to the business reporting agencies. Now, you cannot start building business credit by going to places like Office Depot and Staples stores. You can't start it with banks either. You've got to start it using these kind of vendor accounts. Now, one true starter vendor is called Uline. They sell shipping, packaging, and industrial supplies. They report to Dun& Bradstreet, and you need to have your DUNS number with Dun & Bradstreet to actually get approved. Now, they'll also ask you for 2 references and a bank reference as well, and they may make you place 2 to 3 orders before they'll give you an approval for your initial credit line. But this is a great vendor to start building initial business credit because they'll give you credit even as a startup, even if you have no credit, and they report it to the business reporting agencies. For more information on building your business credit, visit us online at creditsuite.com.